Hey guys, hope you all are doing well. With this video, we are gonna start our Automation Anywhere A360 tutorial. So let's start. In this video, we are gonna see how can we download and install Automation Anywhere Community Edition. So you have to go to this URL. I will give this URL in the description box, and here you have to fill out this form to set up the free account. As soon as you fill out this form and click on get free community edition, you will get an email with your credentials and the URL of control room. Then you have to move to this URL of control room, and here you have to log in with the credential. So first you will get the temporary password, and when you log in with your temporary password, then you will get an option to reset your password. So there you can reset your password and log in with your new password. So after login in this, you can see the control room of the Automation Anywhere application. So here in this control room, we can create the bots, we can deploy the bots, we can run the bots, and we can debug the bots. We can perform all the action here in the control room. Before creating a bot, we have to set the bot agent on this local machine. For running a bot on our local machine, we have to set this bot agent. On the left bottom corner of the screen, you can see this bot running device. Click on connect local device and it will start downloading of the bot agent. So let it download. After downloading completed, you have to open this, and now installation process will get start. This will install the bot agent in your local machine. And after this, you have to click on I installed it, and next step is to install the Automation A360 extension. For this, you have to go to Chrome Web Store. The URL of Chrome Web Store is given in the description box, and here you have to search Automation Anywhere and install this extension. This will start downloading. Now go back to the control room. It is unable to detect the Chrome extension, so skip this step because we have already installed the extension and enabled it. Now connect your computer. It will automatically connect your computer. Now click on done. You can see here the status is disconnected. Let me refresh. Now we can see status is connected. It is able to detect the extension, and there should be a green tick mark on this bot runner icon, which means we are connected to our local machine. Now click on automation and you can see all the bots here. You can create your folders and a new bot. We are creating a task bot. So this is the area where we will develop our bot. We will create new bots. We can modify the existing bots. Here you can see the variables, actions, triggers. So actions contains lot of packages, and these packages contains lot of actions, and these are triggers, means we can set a trigger for our bot. It could be a email trigger, interface trigger, process trigger, service trigger. If we want to open an Excel file, we have to drag drop this open action here. This is our process area in middle. Here we will create our process or board, and as soon as you drag drop an action, you can see the attributes or properties of these action. On the right hand side, you can manage inputs and outputs of this action. And in this assistant tab, you can see the error messages. If there is any error, in our case there is an error in line number 1 or in first action, because we haven't choose a variable name. That's why we are getting this error. And on this dashboard you can see the packages. These all packages are available. You can see the details of any package, expand this package, and you can see the version of the package. You can change the version if there are multiple versions available. And you can see the other values, means how many actions are there in this package, how many triggers, variables. You can see all the detail. This is the list view. This is the flow view. You can see the flow, and in this list you can see the flow in a sequential manner or in a single line. Excel Basic is the package and Open is the action. This is the menu bar. First is recorder option, then search file, then search in this, and then cut, copy, paste, etc. So this is the area where we develop the bots. We will develop bots in upcoming videos. And on the left hand side you can see variables, actions and triggers sections, and on the right hand side you can see the properties of action. And in this middle area we can drag drop the actions, triggers, and create our bot. And this menu bar contains some actions or some features which we can use while creating our bot. So this is the overview of A360 control room. Thanks for watching, guys. Do let me know if you have any doubt or any question. I will post more videos on A360.